Okay, we start with adding the data source, okay, from the Microsoft Excel file. Then we drag all the things in. Alright, then go to sheet 1. We add a calculated field. First, we make the lelaki. The name, JANTINA, and L. Press OK. Another calculated field for perempuan. The same. Formula, change L to P and press OK. Then we put in the class, the laki, laki, perempuan. Remember to exclude the no and those without field data in, put them off. Okay, then we change the axis of lelaki, reverse it. Then we put in the color for lelaki and color for perempuan. Okay, then we add another field in middle, bracket. Then we want it to show the label. No, not this, sorry, here. Oh, then we change the label, make it smaller, alignment middle, and that's it. Okay, then hide this, put it to entire view so we can see all the things, and we put laki, we need the label for lelaki, and we need the label for perempuan. Just this, everything. Okay, that's it for butterfly.